Hi guys, welcome back to another edition of What's on Your To-Do List. I'm Egypt Strickland.
And I'm Andres Escolar. And you know what? Welcome back, Egypt.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here. We missed you last week.
Thank you for being here. You're going to miss me soon as well. I'm like 8 months pregnant.
I know,
so
but...
she's coming soon.
Yes.
Happy about that.
Of course. And you'll be back.
I'll be back.
With the baby? No? Okay.
I don't know about that. But we do want to let you know what there is to do this coming weekend and week here in Savannah. We're going to start things off with the movie.
Yeah, Friday night.
Friday night.
Notorious.
It's a screen portrayal of the life of the Notorious B.I.G., a.k.a. Biggie Smalls, government name Christopher Wallace. And if you know anything about Lil' Kim, Biggie, Puffy,
Tupac.
Junior Mafia, Tupac, or if you don't, you
Yeah.
should go and see this film. It actually rated 4 out of 5.
Especially if you don't. Just, get a glimpse into this guy's life and, how it ended abruptly when he was only 24 years old.
So let us know how it was. Take photos.
Oh yeah, and go to do.savannahnow.com to check out the times that it'll be at your nearest movie theater.
If you're not behaving, you ain't misbehaving.
That's right. You know who's not misbehaving this weekend? Sunday, American Idol Ruben Studdard. He's going to be performing in the national tour of Ain't Misbehaving. And he is playing the role of Fats Waller.
Sounds great.
It's going to be fun at the Civic Center Sunday at 7 p.m.
Oh, and Frenchie's in it.
Yeah, Frenchie Davis.
The one that got kicked off, the big girl, the platinum blonde hair, they got naked pictures of.
What? Where? Okay.
Not on the website.
If you need information, go to savannahcivic.com. Tickets are $28 to $48.
Enjoy.
Have fun.
I never noticed how Martin Luther King's birthday, the holiday that we celebrate, and the inauguration of the President of the United States, how close they were together until this year. It's kind of ironic, actually.
I know, but it's a good thing. There's a lot of good events going on this week. Starting, of course, Monday with the Martin Luther King Parade. It starts on the west side of town, I believe on Gwinnett Street and MLK. It goes north to Broughton Street, then east all the way to Broad, then south again to like Oglethorpe or Liberty. It's a great parade full of Savannah's community. Are you gonna be there?
Actually, no.
No?
This year I'm relaxing, but last year it was really, really cold and they anticipate it being really frigid this year as well. So make sure you bundle up. The parade starts at 10 a.m., but it should be very eventful. If you go, take photos and upload them at spotted.savannahnow.com. If you've taken off Tuesday for the inauguration and gotten yourself a 5-day weekend,
Nice.
you might want to attend one of the inaugural balls.
If you're not going to Washington, that is.
It's going to be so cold in Washington.
It's gonna be cold in Savannah.
Yeah, but it's going to be really cold in D.C.
Well, there's a lot going on in Savannah, starting with Savannah's Black and White inaugural gala.
It's going to be at the Weston Trading Convention Center.
Yep.
Now, attire is black and white. So.
The core is also black and white.
And Andres asked if they're going to have black and white cookies.
I don't know, why not?
I'm sure it will be befitting. If you go, it's $100 a person, hosted by the Savannah Business League and the Chatham County Democratic Committee.
Of course, they're going to have live feeds from events going on in D.C., but a really special feed is going to be the choir from Beach High, who are actually going to be performing in D.C. How cool is that?
Woohoo! Go Bulldogs.
All right.
Now, if $100 a person is a little too pricey for you, you might want to check at the Ralph Gilbert Civil Rights Museum. They're having another celebration. It's called Celebrating Together in Savannah. It's $25 a person. It's going to be January 20th, 7 p.m. to midnight.
And what about the Audacity of Hope inauguration ball?
That's going to be Friday. So if you're not one of those people that can take off from work and whatnot to go out,
You have to celebrate this week, remember.
Celebrate this weekend. On Friday, the 23rd, it's going to be at the Ralph Gilbert Civil Rights Museum, 8 p.m. And if you need more information, we've got it right here.
And I've heard they are going to have good entertainment, a tapas menu, and a cash bar. Ought to be good.
And if you go, take photos.
Of course, and upload them to spotted.savannahnow.com. All right, till next week, I'm Andres Escolar.
I'm Egypt Strickland. Hopefully I don't have the baby before I see you again. Bye.